Mayam Krumzari Adon Impact News Nei Raj Nongthombam Manung Hutna Hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events ta Mayam Butaram Nokchari. Ngasi si leba sigi lamdam sigi natraga state sigi political social amadi economic problems singdagi natraga issues singdagi kitang nathairaga yamna koi inspirational oiraba natraga yamna special oiraba guest ahum khak Manung Hutna gi studio links no lebire. Higher guest usumsi karigidamata special oribano chahi sigi Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COHSEM na loki ba class 12 ke exams ta commerce arts amadi science higher stream ohum sida state sigi oina makok takraba makok thongkraba topper ohum ngasi unajaraga wari sanabgi tanjadon logjak doribse aduga hairiba san akoi mahiroi ohum asina karamna makoi exam si ki preparation tawkhibage aduga exam se karamna thengna khibage exam se kedam makoi kari strategy laikhiba aduga hoji exam se mai palobni na makhata na tungda kari career semning ba kari tawning ba haibna sing mayam si wari sanam gidam special guest ohum se lengsin loibere mathang manau na hajara ge aham ba igi hek thangna lengsin biribasi arts stream da akoi my percentage 89.8 ka loinana Manipur Pumbagi arts ki oina akoi makok thongkhrabi Ningthoujam Radharani ni hamta Radharani Nokchari. Welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining. Also joining us, commerce ke stream da Manipur Pumbagi oina 86.2% ka loina makok thongkhraba Sagar Acharya. Sagar, welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining too. And also joining us, science stream da Manipur Pumbagi oina makok thongkhraba with 96.4% Selina Keisham, Selina Keisham, welcome to the show. Appreciate you joining too. Aduga at the very outset, makpu impact news ki impact TV ki maikai degi. Congratulations. Adu sigi prekha haido result haido result haipetung khangam mani haidom de me adu adu result haido pon misida result ki keno se breaking news haga pause kana break to wiki isana dum internet online da check toroga khangbi khibra mi atopa mana imungi mi mana tagi manaba sin haira khangibra news ko mai break to gi Radharani de hojar ke
haji ai gi ahan bang hantaki success haiba tare asigi ahan ba pause ai di tar su yare haiba gi isada tension se khara di reduce to kre haiba tare
okay
aduga ai gi ihan han ba pause aina whatsapp sum paira leiba kansida imanaba ma mana call se torokpa bai nang fast yaure ko en sungka thada ma se ingon da yamna joking am tawgan ba imana bane haiba tare aduga mana torok pa sungka thada adai di imana ba singse mathang call torok pa ai oja sing adagi ai guardian sing call je mathang lak pa dagi di ai nang sigi achievement se phange haiba se khangje khiben
okay yungi mi di khangam bra kamai tawi
yungi mi di amata khangde
ado Radharani na tamdura yungi mi sing da yungi mi sing su maina mathang mayam na hainar padi khangboy der kamai Radharani haibadi khangduine
aina hana aigi family su yamna charang na raga laiba haiba tare adu kanda aina haibadagi kap yamna su kapna ki
okay yamna kapna gi harau bugi hai tare harau bugi kappa okay keno da Sagar da lage Sagar
like a PDF the mana send over I di khangde adu result out oibagi I didn't know that it was out like, he sent me and at first I didn't believe.
Okay.
First the day, like.
So you were with your families at the time?
Yeah. Yum the labor.
Yum the labor. So your friend sent the PDF file?
Yeah.
On WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Then only you came to know? Then how was your reaction? How was your family's reaction?
They were very happy. Like, all were very happy. And
Did you cry?
No, but like almost.
Okay, you almost cried.
Yeah.
Okay, but you were so happy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come to your preparation also, but before coming to the preparation, I would also like to talk to Selina. Selina, information si kumai laki news in the middle.
Pekha idu kani haibse dum akoi khangnare marida alna akoi commerce school ki oza amana babada phone tawrakbani Selina na dumaina first tare kholena adu matamdu da akoi mama se yumda laite aduna babana mama da phone tawre adu mama na thajamanda da council da changaga yenghalle information se adu khangbadagi harau mandana akoi se dumaina leire aduga harau mandana babai bani se thajada bani sa je aduga dumaina le ngai na sagi press ki meeting yumda lakba khotba almain tawbadagi realization se la ai na tare ne habse adugi matik harau
okay adugo isana di online da check tawbudi tawgidre
check tawdringai de information lakbana hale
Ari isana check tawdringai da press ki mi lakpa zum yo hawre adra dum confirm hoigre ai je okay ai je dum makok thong ma ne habli okay adubo puning da kari phawbi ke haidi laiba percentage mark phangai ba number 1 ga topper ga tari se ana dum expect to bi khibra da ai handak ti top ta de aden hona bi khibra kamai habi ningi
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯇꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ actually ꯑꯩꯒꯤ class 10 examꯒꯤ result ꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ expect ꯇꯧꯕ markꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ disappointment ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ class 12 ꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ performanceꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩ 1 to 5 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯀꯗ꯭रा ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯈꯤ
Okay, 1 to 5 चलकर है बस आप दी लेगी है वो तो 1 लाख का है बस दी लेगी की बराबर
one हाइबसिदि अमरम द लक्तस लाइक को मार्क अमानी द इनरक्पनिना अदुना आई अदुमक्ति हाबदि थाजा खरा खौतक चाय हाइदा
ओके खितंग दि खंजाना बले की तो 1 to 5 ती लेर पे है बकी थाजा बमदी लेगी सागर कमाई तो की सागर what was your expectation did you expect that you will become topper of the state in commerce
once I had expectation like I'll get to the ring but after the exam I didn't expect that like it was not so well like but I had one expectation that I will get at least one rank one among the
okay rank ti chalakani na khan giye ba hoy rank ti chalakani khan giye to top number 1 tarkane de khalu de exam se amna nuwa ge to wasn't the exam that nice
exam de faje
nuwa din wai ki
hoy
okay adu number 1 gi expectation de leru de
hoy
okay number 1 gi expectation de le tara thani kamai number 1 gi expectation le ki pra kamai to ki
aina khona ji हाइरबदा अइना फास्ट तादे यादी हाइबगी वखल से ना थैरगा अइना बेस्ट तो फंगबगी महत्ता अइगी बेस्ट लेवल सिदा होनबा तारगदी अइना वन से फंगबा याई हाइबगी वखलोन अमदी अदुम लेजरखि अदुगा अइगी तौरिबा थबकसिना मपा चुमलबा अदुगा अइगी तसेंगना एग्जाम हाइबसिदी अखोगी सेलिनाना सु हाइबिखिबा लक्तु याम डिपेंड लै अदुना अइगी लक्सिना सु मपा चुमलबा अइगी होना जरिसिना सु मपा चुमलबा तारगदी ayu facet tabadi ngamgani haibagi expectation amade dum lejaki
okay first tak ko ya habagi expectation de legi okay preparation su laksa ki preparation kwai to ye du preparation de lakthang da hoje manipur miyam na khara ge hen khang du si selina se sagar se amade radharani se karai gano garam imung de polo ki na haibetang brief biodata am so am khang do male okay radharani de ge dum hoje radharani
haiji
khadang haibi sa gi maram
ai se lilong chajing singkhong lekai de gi ne ai apokpagi mingna ningthoujam mohendro singh aduga apokpigi mingna ningthoujam ongbi bimala devi आई चिन्नाउ से नुपी ngakta taruk ne mayam sigi manung da aina atombi ne
okay atombi taruk ke manung da atombi ne okay sagar gi su kitang hai
I am from like I kangla tumi de ni do ai gi birthplace do kangla tumi de ni mother gi name de tulasa acharya ga father gi de dharmendra acharya ne do ai gi ama ichi le ne
ichi ama le
do I'm the second like
okay still now ani khatani ko
hoy
ichi ama adaga you are the last
yeah my elder sister
ani khatani ko koi kangla tombi dagi ni aduga ichi now ani khatani aduga mana atomba aduga ichi ama leibo ko ko yam noijare aduga school tamai si don bosco higher secondary school maram dani ko tamisa okay aduga koi radharani gina ike higher secondary school sanga khong bisida okay selina to la selina gi brief payo
ai sing the making amaka diwalambi de gine duga ai ki baba gi mingna kaisam sudir singh aduga hauzik liberal college da kano history department da assistant professor in lady duga mama gi mingna kaisam ongbi anandi devi duga housewife ne siblings na ai ani khatane ai gi khada ipwam ga lady St Joseph da hauzik class 9 kari
okay ado okay amajare isa gi brief payo so takpirubni na कोई एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन है तारे एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन से दा इशागी लाइक हम पास जब हम सो मथुक तादो नहीं पास जब दा नतना कोई हुजिक मथुक तारे से स्कूल दा चांग लाइन चप स्कूल दा ताले में हम दसु खंगबा अरुगा मसे खंग तरगना मो ट्यूशन न चिंग चप में हम सु लेदो नहीं तो प्रिपरेशन कमाई तो वीकी नो मत पुंग क्या पाके थ्रू आउट द ईयर से नतगा क्लास 11 दगी होरगा अदम होग्रब जाला प्रिपरेशन से कमाई तो की सेलिना दगी होजर
class 11 hai matam se ngasai gi class 10 first public exam gi matung hek lorak pa matam ni na akoi isada khar langning ba adumaina phawe degi di school ano wa hongak pa adaptation gi khara aduna adui matam da di ai kya kana yam kana hotna ki ba oi de khara free oi isa se aduga class 11 da di kya hena full effort thada bangam zakhi de duga 12 karak matam da di hoi second public exam ama lairi bani na akoi isada mindset ta su ai hotna da ba ya di hai ba gi wakhal ma lei adu ngasai gi chahi academic session harok pasadi akhoi tuition chatpa school chatpa habidi school is important ne chatta ba ya de student moina aduna ngasai gi study sida ga pung se yam thada bangam de like 4 to 5 hours kumba deki ngasai tuition ke kalu rakpa deki school lo rakpa matam exam ya da di about 10 to 12 hours thada bangam me but ngasai gi akhoi na time the kya hai na focus pi bana tab haibdi quantity da gingak bana te quality da ne haibdi aina pung ama khatang phammasu kyam pa bangam ge haibdo duki wakhalon da changa ga hona jai hai ta
adu charangna koi school chappa hai ga dra koi school chappa missing suti le tab missing de charangna pung se kyamu koi haji mayam ji lo khai dokra ka tuition chappa school chappa jo khai dokra ka kyamu pa ba du suti ge leiba nandra vacation ga lakam matam na no pung kyamu ka lai pai
suti leiba vacation leiba matam sida koi ngasagi working day study ahoi study da khai dokra ni na ngasagi leisure time oina su degi relaxation period oina su koi darkar lebani na adugu ma kayam su tawe duga hoi study su nong magi pa da bi ya dam ne adum thada jai hai ta
er charangna pung oina ga di mari manga
yeah 3 to 4 hours sedum
okay 3 to 4 hours the leptra dum pai bachang nai na okay Sagar, how was your preparation?
Like from class 11 onwards, like, I give like in class 11 I didn't give that much time. Like I couldn't give because like I knew it would be Maranga, like I cannot adjust initially, like and on like 12 like I gave extra efforts, and I do like problem like waking. Problem of like Maram is a very cold place, so like there was a problem, but
school se numti gi kangla to midigi Maram tana dum chatuira natraga you stayed there in
I stay in hostel.
Okay, hostel.
Yeah. And like hostel I used to get time because like for studying I used to get time, and like solving of like back question and all that I did in class 12, and like extra effort I gave to some.
Okay, extra effort was given during the
yeah
class 12 tenure. Okay, but why did you choose commerce? Because here in Manipur everybody is more or less after science, but you have chosen to
due to globalization commerce and all, like look is policy and all that, like Manipur will become like a hub like for trade and commerce. So after a few years there will be like industries and factories in Manipur also, so it will be good that our local people like are engaged in like entrepreneurship and all that. So thinking that like I took commerce.
Okay, what about coaching classes and tuition? Because other than your classroom teachings and your self preparation, because your subject commerce altogether again has a lot of difficult subjects like accountants and I don't know, there are many other subjects, so they are really very tough. So how did you prepare yourself? You didn't require any coaching or tuition for that?
I like teachers, they helped me like in the school, like there was no like coaching in coaching center there was no in
Maram.
Yeah,
there is no coaching center.
Yeah, so like I used to prepare myself.
Okay, you have to prepare yourself and you have to attend all the classes in the schools.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I'll come to Radharani. Radharani ki preparation di kumai to wiki no mo na pung kyang ka like pa himja no.
I high school gi matamdadi yumda aduga yumda parents singna guardians singna aduga oja singna care lobi daga yamna ai academic line sida mai pakna bo khona birakibani aduga ine higher secondary level se ek higher secondary school se tamjal pa matamda aina hana expect to base hana adu 11 12 sida gi di ai hostel leba hojarakani hostel leba na karigomba yamna change ama lakadra haina ina khanjaru bani adugo yamna nungai ba haiba tare ai ga su yamna channel ba ai ike higher secondary school se masida laiba oja sing school authorities sing se masina I want TV ba care se just like aina yumda thangja khiba attention chakmana na TV khiba aduga aina ike da lajara just like I feel at home aduga aina
chahi ani jadum laidura
chahi ani jadum lajare aduna aina mapam da thoktuna yamna tuition tawbagi matam phangsu phangdre aduga dakar su laitre haiba tare maramdi ai school authority na aina hostel da lairabani na khara khudong sabase khara hena su fange haiba di lengdana lairabani na aduga yamna nuaiba facility haiba tare school authority na pipi base akai gi laiba school oja singse any student amana magi khangdaba matani ma matamda 24 hour contact tonabagi facility ma pipi ba asuna tawshe ai school oja singa aina kona jagi bu ko punna kamai for sina
okay atuga ko hostel dale ro bugi kana wai ga hostel da ngasai ke no gisu acharya ga su ko sagar gi su ta ko hostel dale bani na mapana chalaga ko tuition nung chen chapai matam su phangi re dum hostel do da sana self preparation to jabar maina ga no gisu to bre isana self preparation Radharani ki su adu bo swai sida koi family ki support hai ga koi preparation to matam da su eno di koi Selina di yum da su le bani na yum ki family support hai ga koi preparation matam da mateng pang bi ko bi adu le kamai to ki family support se
ai hostel ka kala laser te yum dum le re to ai ki baba singa sa haija ki ba dumaina sa gi history ki assistant professor ne adu baba na art subject oi tar so ai na science na baba na ai matam chupada dum se ne adum sangaga adu ai na lai pa matam si da sa gi ai gi weak points strong points se baba na sit na khang adu na sa ai ki every chapter gi kari information yawi happy se baba na dum khangba su yawi adagi mama na sa gi yum gi thaba ingkhang adagi ai gi cha ba thak pa gi health su care lau da ba ya da bani na adu mai ta we du ga ai gi sa gi routine dok ba khot ba adu mai care yam lo bi
okay care yam lo ki adu so isida mayam haina bale Manipur da su maru ina science ki tuition se compulsorily subject khara da maths ko commerce ko chemistry ko physics ko sa ta ya da gi haina basum le isa gi ona tuition khara dum sapi ba male do tuition si yamna maru oi matham tai khami bra adu tuition chapi maram ji isa gi ona de ko mai do bi ki
tuition chat pagi maram de hoge haziki akhoi laiba state se ngasai ki unrest yamna laiba habidi ngasai gi ban blockade adu na tana tai problem kya laiba ni na akhoi gi school ki academic sessions de da disturbance ka yam lai adu bu syllabus ti yamna vast oi habdi 10 12 yam khenari adu na ngasai gi akhoi gi school gi oza sing na syllabus se cover taung na ba honar pa da awa bo moirak pa adu ga school gi oza sing na di ngasai gi time limit amna tak pirak pa ni adu na ngasai gi additional information sing asai awat pa mens lak na ba akhoi gi tuition se da ka lek pa moreover akhoi science study application and as a gam yauri difficulty level 15% minor question with test adu nga sagi application jaga se da akhoi gi top tawra da bani adu na sagi application solve to bangam na ba adugumba kya ma darkar additional information yam na maru ere
okay additional information additional skill hai ta rai I remember applied knowledge sik lehenab gi damak ta mathuk ta ki adu koi hostel le ba kangu di amung to strictly like rabena akoi gi surveillance makada adu family sometimes you may be missing your family your mom your sister and maybe sometimes you feel like going back home and doing all the study at home how was your family support
like they supported me but like it was not possible from home to go to college because it is very far from there so like I felt like homesick also but thinking of the family condition.
Okay, you muyam ning singhi adabu but why didn't you choose like some nearby schools like in the valley instead of going to Maram?
Yeah, because like consecutive results of Don Bosco Maram like it was good there, commerce was good there. So I thought like choosing other colleges like Imphal like there was ban and all that.
Were you already in the Don Bosco during the high school time?
No, I was like in Kanglatombi only there is one school.
Okay.
Probably I was there.
At the secondary level only you took the admission?
Yeah.
All right. You missed your family very badly but sometimes you have to sacrifice all those emotions and you have to concentrate on your studies. All right. I'll come to Radharani. Radharani, adum hostel da anova experience sama knowledge sama dum phangane do sometimes yum ningsing ko yum daga lening ko do yaw hir mai dawki
ayam matam da natraga sumarak matridi adum yum haiba simak tabu miyoy lening da ba mi leiro haiba tare aduna aina yum ningjang ko matam siam no ingba mana ajan nai ga ina hajin naraga chatpa gumba se marak mak hung tawjare
okay school lagi nai hai draga di sudi phang do mina okay adu yum daga leraga practice tor hadi study tor ge ga ju thalak ko yaw rak mai dawki
tasingna ai yum dadi ai parents sing yamna like lai shu gi manga yamna phangba noi su oidabana aingonda larik lai shu takpi bangam draga su makoina pibe moral support che aingonda di yamna help to biki aduna aina hostel le pa matamda ai gi school gi oja sing tasingna ai gi imai pa sakna aingonda yamna care lo biki even moi gi mayum da leiba macha apik aduga macha pa bodo khuntu aga night duty ta dana kari da kari watli haidana yamna wana yengsing biki ba phainam se sina ai imai pa sakna moina khona biki sina ai yumgi thoidokpa yumda haningba khotpagi wakhal se kaya opsa khide
okay yam phajaba yam ngai ba experience ne ai tare ozam yam hona biragas maina yumda 100 so sita phajana do hona ba ya bagi wakalom da preparation to bigi se adu okay project class 12 ki yamna maroi ba ngai public exam hai bi ba masu clear ore adu su yamna top targa tare koi ka hai tare firal pairaga success ki firal pairaga mang tharga labne hujik se aduna makha ta se kari ta goda ge makha ta se kari tamgen kali aduga life ta kari oi gen kari ambition na aspiration lebi Radharani de lakche
makha tabase ai Delhi da general line oina tamtharaga pol science da honors tawjaninge aduga adugi matung UPSC exam se correct tanga bu hona jaraga social scientist ama oibagi apam base leche.
Okay, social scientist oibagi apam su le du UPSC exam su thani political science su loge kare why political science
tasingna ai se aina sum gyan lakchara kodagi haiba tare ai yana changjaning khiba line se administration line se administration line se da haibadi everything I could see Laybak that to every events could say Laybak adugi law and order if you want law and related or Hana and Lose. Aduna Karigum by Quina, I could mapima pass with government as that participate of Wangam Lagadi. Everything a quick problem could make a solution say government giam the job but Hagdamadile. Karigumba rules Kara military oina government chana halagadi. A quaggy housey Samasha Pinana Sigi solution Karado or soup Purakpangangani Hina in a Tazi.
Okay, solution karo so propong I'm going to happen. Okay, I'll come to Sagar. Makha se kari tamgen khali to go life the kari aspiration and aim.
My like aim is to become a chartered accountant.
Chartered accountant.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like if
then you'll be continuing BCom.
Yeah, BCom. I'll be continuing BCom, and after that I'll be doing CA.
CA.
Or if possible, I'll do CA first. And like.
Why do you want to become CA? You want to earn as money as possible?
No, but
you want to become one of the richest person in Manipur.
No, it's not like that. But like accountancy, like I have interest from beginning. Like when I go to commerce stream, like I have interest in accountancy and like I find it very interesting. So after all, like. If I become a chartered accountant, like it will be my passion, like what I want to do and like my to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the pamba mayam aduga tamaiba mayam si apply to basin aba pam have na chartered accountant mo ge ai tamaiba accountancy ai tamaiba subject mayam si madu season age aduga taseng na yamna coveted job mo ribale bax ge dum chartered account tensu oi jage have ni okay yam pa wakalo ni Selina la chike Selina gidi kari amgen objective aduga makata na hoji class 12 ber banina kari tam to begin khali aduga life ta kari aspire to begin khan
aina ping ai dagi sum horok pas da gi aim se fully determined of aim se kya lerakte phanam kuina like ping ai da kari gum tam da IIT tamaga engineering oining pa yawe de kari gum tam da doctor oining pa yawe but aina ngasa gi schooling se in normal bas ta tawjare na tarak ma tam sida ngasa class 8 9 10 karak pas da akhoi gi oza sing na sum perceive to wi dagi enang civil service tang andi dumaina yado male kaina haibi dagi aina ngasa civil service am pamjare edu matam dagi auna ai gi adu da ai civil service chang da bya de haibigi aim se lere auna ai usi class 12 lor banina makha se DU da general line tam tharaga aziki civil service exam se thage na khali
okay general line hai de koi science dum tamaga
subject decision se ai loudry because ngasagi UPSC have it's not an easy exam aduna ngasagi success rate ying ba dagi chana ka da subject khana ba ma dakar lai ri hai tare
okay aduna aim budi UPSC ge se dum oidu ne ba aduna UPSC thani ba ani le re tare koi Radharani su aduga Selina Keisham aduna chat to Delhi da loisa ni mo atani aduna Delhi da padana tanaraga ani se tum preparation to mine yare as a friend as a colleague amoina yanwa je tungda yamna mai pakpa koi civil servant am oibira u aduga yam mai pakpa koi chartered accountant am so oibira tare tu makata na koi exam mamang da aduga exam me na chala kana komai komai su prepare to ki ha adugi na ching musu wari sanjage adu brain ta lo bi ha tare ko okay break macham dalo je break am thonjar ke impact news me ta dole Welcome back. Adon ingber basi Manung Hutna ni a 360-degree analysis of news and events with me Raj Nongthombam. Manung Hutna dang asi khana jarami ba wari sana jarami ba asi handak chahiye Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na log ba class 12 ko examination ta topper oikra ba arts science amadi commerce ki topper hum hero hungani mathangi question se ei science ke topper Selina to mak sake Selina ki jakho ki subject wise ta su chemistry da topper or mane out of 100 98 pam chemistry se am pam job subject obi kibra koi do bi
ta seng na har ba chemistry se aina most weak subject ni habiti effort yamna changba subject ni auna ina sai preparation da uma tamji da sai subject ama ignore ta badi yada bani na full gingak ta ba yada ni chemistry da kya hai ne effort se thadagi andagi ga sai gi akhoi gi reference book Dinesh Pradeep ke aje ozagi mateng lawraga yam hona jar khedina effort se kya hai na thada man gi bana aina yam pamzaru bo natraga su subjects da ina 98 score ta wangam zakiben
okay subject se 98 score to giveni highest ni अदुबो अतोप सब्जेक्ट सिंग सब्जेक्ट तरु है तारे मसिदे मंगा ने लौदुस अमना फोर्थ सब्जेक्ट उगिदुनी तरु मग लोई लेटर चली से कमाइ दिजा
adum equal effort hada jaki duga ozana su mateng pangbiba lagi reference like ma'am dagi su akhoi marui be sagi information ka am phangkiba ajani haisani
अदुबो अखोई की क्लास 12 हर पजरे दी तुम रेगुलरली हे हर पदी के तुम पाबा हो खरबन तक एग्जाम नक्सल आकांदा दा अखोई की एग्जाम में ओरा कांदा मदु तक टाइम टेबल रूटीन के सेमगा लाइक पा गिबजाला खेना बले खिब्रा बिफोर हाइदी एग्जाम नक्सल को मतंगा नदगा कोई चही चुप्पा लाइक पाबगी केनो पैटर्न खेना बरा
aina haizening bidding asagi regular study to base yamna important oy student kidi habdi aina ngasi phangakpa knowledge to ngasi dum digest tong nam hona hoba because information and knowledge habesity loibena id alna ngasagi aina ngasi gi phangakpa knowledge hauba or khangja laudraga di pile up to gibena koi kon last ta cram up to base warakani yam cram up to base aduki mat it's a bad yam bad oy habit ne ko aduna ngasagi regularly study je dum tawdare aduga ngasagi haurak pasida adum school la ngasi chalu badat phangakpa information degi chapter wise dum everyday equal oina cover down na bhona jare
okay adu exam mayam dari exam mayam maya yoraka dari special revision hai like pawi mo ji change torok pra targa ado idin hena relax asidi ay amna pal ore objecti am kana pressure piru matuk ta de hapet nungai thoga nungai na leun phaina kitang relax oi giber kamai do ki prekhamiya se
sagi akoi exam se march ado april ado hogi bane dinanga sai december ado de matik kaino toy yamna revision course effort yamna thada ki adu matam de was mai nung sunu ngai de gi mock test ko mo ozana sembi raga thaba yam tawe have the full mark exam gi full preparation oina adu but sagi exam wat ngai 1 month kum badi relax to hore sa have the mindset to free oina ba free oina thana ba exam do adu gi matam de di aina ai gi opinion de di ka hena pressure lay raga di akoi exam se thaba da free minded oina thaba se ngamoidra haiba gi wakhal da ai like 10 days kum gi mamang da di free oina relax oina lay
okay 10 days smoke naisala kan that like pap khara free ohele hai dare okay sagar this lage sagar you I mean topped in accountancy you got 82 out of 100 okay so did you like accountancy a lot
I like accountancy and computer science yeah but in computer science I could not get like on the
but you got all letter marks in all the subjects
yeah but like what to say I want to get more than that in computer but I couldn't get
okay you wanted to get more marks in computer science but you got more marks in accountancy but what about economics
like economics also I liked and like I gave extra efforts for economics also so like I got 90
okay 90 but you 90 it means you got letter marks in all the subjects like English, alternative English, accountancy, computer science and economics. Didn't you have any other paper like fourth paper
fourth subject was business studies like then also I expected more letter mark but I could not get
okay you didn't get letter marks on that all right it's fine but you got letter marks in 5 subjects all right but how was your preparation like your preparation at the time of examination was it very intense and tough as you were already in a hostel so maybe your school teachers you know they might be grinding you to study more
like it was same as before but like during exam time like I gave extra effort and like not that pressurizing also but I gave like more than the normal days and I studied all subjects equally
but adu koi haina balai like pab se like yam pab mi gi dikhang re normal students ingi damak tadi like pab se one of the toughest task in the world on the earth koi malayam se da like pab se kwai dagi tan ma kwai dagi wa ba thabak si oi adu koi gi hairi ba koi mahiro home se kamaina how did you know keep the motivation constant motivation to study every time all the time you know
like from class 11 I had a habit of sitting in table so like whenever I sit there
you get motivation from table and chairs
it brought me like it gave me motivation to study more and more
okay I'll come to Radharani ki motivation ka la ki eduga subjects Radharani ki history 87 subject topper adegi sociology 96 subject topper ani ji am pambi ke history sociology jam pambi pro mai sai social scientist oi pambi na hai pe ta ki sociology
ani am ka hen interest layudraga su yam adum interest layba subject ne duga ai history gi subject se ai higher secondary school da ai wanda khwai dagi aina interest laude aina thausa de haidana oja singna khwai dagi chaibi ki subject si history simak ni
okay
aduga tasingna history subject to par tarak pasida su ai tasingna angak pama phaujeki aina high school matam dagi lakpada ai se khwai dagi matam manghan ba chhatra amoina hauja rakibane adu punamak se na thaina ba khona bada ai oja sing ai guardian sing ai wanda pibi ki ba motivation se yamna hojik ta ningsing la ga ai wanda yamna emotional oi ba ma phawe haibadi nga tang aina nungai thu ine haiduna tumina lai thopagumba larik paiduna kai haitare lang thopagumba tawo matam sida ai parents guardians oja singna adumai lai thokanu larik pa ba haibasi loibagi nai ba nate kari kari no khangdaba udaba singdu tano kholuga haibagumba aduga aina higher secondary gi lakpa matam sida su chapmana ba adum care se adum phangjaki aduga aina exam maya gi larik parakpa matam se aina hana pa kiba larik pa bagi mawung du dagi kitang na thaijaraga haibatare group discussion oina aina
okay hostel le group discussion ni chance pangye
hoi adon nupi ga nupa ga di tongan tongan leibanina imanaba singa punna discussion tawbase kudong chaba amadi oide adona aina oja singa fajana haina jaraga imanaba siga ai discussion tawa pamse koche adum aina sumana haiba matundu su oja singa adum hala hala na yabi aina full support pibi aduga oja sing yauna discussion oina ayamba matamda kainogi larik pa ba ki pattern se ai follow tawse
adu larik pa ba se adum planning ni se yam ngak pa hai tare koi mahro myam su khalang ne koi su pa ge de khalli hore de par ge hayeng dagi par ge aduga matam du yorokan as pore hum par ge da hore hum yorokan hayeng hum par ge da adum procrastinate tawle je delay tawle bise adugi larik planning da wi haidra procrastinate tawgi habit si songle le ta bra radharani kamai tawi
akhoi habit
adum planning le present larik si
habit ama tasingna aigi oina di larik adum planning ga laiba haibse aingon ti tasingna kaya oidre higher secondary gi matam da su aise hona bakali gaina haina masa khangbi bogi muhutta oja singna aiji ihana na masa khangbi je khwai dagi langba chhatra amane haina hana recognize to bi
class 11
aduga akhoi habit haiba simakta bu akhoi control gi wang ma da laiba posak ama khangi aduna habit ama semba matam da akhoi mai lei pha khibai sei aduna aikoina larik pa ba se adum paning na ba haiba tare nuong ma se khang pa sin na ta ba machit aduga akoina larik se akhoi larik pa ba gi table se larik sing ji yamna phajana thambi ba taraga di akoina larik se even paning dra phau da pham ga dum lening ba ma de dum pok ne dun sum phamak pa taraga di nong to su larik se hang tu ga yeng ba si polak ka ne khanje hang tu ga yeng ba taraga di mathang step by step adum parak pa ta
okay
smai thamjai
okay ngasai sagar na hai ki table chair de su inspiration lai hai se masana na table to organize hora laita raga di paningam to su dum paningam pai ta Selina just like Selina, ngasai constant motivation hai ta ngasai haje ki lai pa je kwari most of the student ga to kro loina mami ko de mona lai pa je wa ba koi ken area am khang ni work am khang ni to tang ya da bagi mayam se tong na ba to mi khara di nuai ko jun thena je same problem no male lai pa paning da gi na gi adum ba situation hai di tangkak yaur khidabra yaur ga di ko mai overcome to gi hojik mairo myam se khalang mani khoi su like te paning ya khoi su Selina dong Sagar dong na adigi Radharani dong na topper wedding atu paage to kan pangam da base adana sigi motivation sigi inspiration se kamaina create to be kamaina how did you force or how do you indulge yourself in studying Selina
like say students na kan habi ba dumai na mi khring paning de ai sa mak su like se thoi na pau ha di paning de adum hai gani but saigi keno se ahoina like atop books kumba dagi thengna ba da advice pi future se envision tau hai ahoi future da aina kari oininge aigi successful oiba image ama envision tarok matam da hodaning ba pharakani sada and maina ngasai experts sing na iba thengnai auna aduguma like tagi ai motivation lawje duga ai like tagi he na ai novel pa basne he na pamjai auna ai novel guma se ama pa da leibada khoi mama ga novel lothan ba ga yawi pa da na fan aduna ngasai gi keno akhoi oza sing na ga advice pp bida nang nongmagi regularly at least that pa bata la 2 minutes phau di phamo table mamang dan 2 minutes to like sungpa phak to ngasai Radharani na happy gi badamai sungpa phak duk tar like say every day sum nang kem tok da bi da phang man tam da like phak to ni mo pharakani paning ko pharakani du mai na at the table mamang da pham ba si yam important oi adagi ko gi study table se organize to ba adagi like pa bata la ga su ngasai gi study table se oina sengdok ba adu di ngasai gi ko like siga company oina sum chat khagadi paning pa dagi dugum se pharakani
Jam Hazabu Wakaloni, salute. I Sagar the Flux again, Sagar Nangasai table the inspiration, motivation lapodo. Other than that, a constant motive because many a times we don't feel like studying. Today, ask the chodo. Today, I won't be studying, I just want to sleep or I just want to, have a chat with my friends. And sometimes we don't want to study at all. And many a times, not sometimes, many a times we don't want to study. But how do you overcome when you don't feel like studying at all?
Like, from July onwards, like I didn't use my phone.
Okay. Before that, you used to use mobile phone. You used to play games.
Yeah.
Okay.
But after that, like not completely, but I use mobile like
frequently.
Yeah, frequently. Not seldomly I used to use.
Okay.
Yeah, and like and when I sit in the like table, like I used to think like if I study today this much, like tomorrow, like it will be easy for me. So that feeling like took me like studying more.
Okay, but did you sometimes find yourself like after my graduation or after my masters, I want to become chartered accountant or company secretary, therefore I am studying. So sometimes do you inspire yourself like that? That way?
Yeah.
You do that?
Like chartered accountant, for chartered accountant we have to like it is one of the toughest exam. So like if I didn't study now this month, like how would I study afterwards? So
okay, but other than your aspiring profession or other than your tables and chair in your books, there must be some people around you or maybe on this earth, who are directly or indirectly inspiring you or they are inspirational for you. So are there any person for you like that? Any inspirational figure, inspirational person from the past or in the present? Anybody, anyone?
No.
You didn't have?
Yeah.
Maybe Mahatma Gandhi is your inspiration? No, not like that.
Yeah.
You didn't have any inspirational figure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come to Radharani. Radharani ki my inspirational figure ka sutum lai bikibra moina togi butu uruga na mana ngang ki ba man I ki ba line am dagi sidiam chumina sidiam phajaina ai just mai to hum thuina ga na life ta kick ama phangi ba du mod le bikibra
haisige aina gyan tarakpa matam dagi haiba tare tv je yam toini yengjadraga su discussion hour gum base adum yengjare aduna
discussion hour haje manung hona jira
manung khutna gadi aina ai matam dagi thokri baina khanje
manung hona yengdru mo manga okay
akoi ojadana bi laishrong gi magi space aingonda yam inspiring ohiba haiba tare yam ingna tapna marik chumna point da thala thala ngang baje aingonda yam inspiring aduna akoi gi ojagi mahut chillaga aina yamna ojagi matau tamjaraga haiba tare social scientist ama aina oininga khibasisu ojana on inspire tawbane haina I thamji.
Okay, yam phajabu wakhaloni aduga koigi inspiration figure ma man hai gi ma ngang gi badu dagi koina adumai oininga panatraga adugi line sa ninga pusu yaw bujani Selina ki sadum malai bi khibrak mai dogi
ai gi inspirational figure se ai grandfather and grandmother ne haizani adu ai gi khoi gi pupu se ai na thingna ja hautre yam ganna lekhidre baba na phaw ma sak phajana khangau den hai but ai mayam na wari libi be dagi ma se matam amagi DM college ki history ki professor ne na takpi plane crash legi dabne na adu dagi khoi gi boboksu adumak larikta duamna thawai yauzaba miyo yamane adna boboksu aina class 10 ki aigi class 10 and 12 ki achievements e utpa phangdana class 9 da lekhidre adu makoina larikta duamna thawai yauzaramba dagi khogi pupu se matam amada larik I dana tawramen ha aduna ai literature ki oiba larik iba pa base judum pamjai auna moina ngasai ki larik ki maramda thawai yauzaramba sina aingonda inspiration and motivation am hoi
okay inspiration motivation we do koi family da pupu hi gariba lari amna phaba scholars me am ler manina intellectual me am ler manina adu baba su koi college ki oja oi ha takpi banina amasi ki keno je ke hetare jinda heredity da sa fit yawe kan transfer se natraga koi environment da lari mayam do roga ima baba digi pupu hi wari tar roga adumaina su mayam se dum mathang sumagi lari haining bagi na paning bagi se transfer to wen kan bi ba
ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ atmosphere ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ education atmosphere ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤ distraction ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯇꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ international figure ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ biography ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯄꯥꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ educationꯒꯤ sectorꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯞꯆꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ
Okay, distraction so happy panbiki distraction yaudana ba imungi music yam hona bien adubu distraction se sometimes koi mahero isamona create tau jaba haitare adubu mayam hujik hangam du si sagar radharani amdi serena sa adum like to pale jar ma se hi supamoi ohum jibo ne khala bazu adum su pam do mande sometimes su adum koi leisure time activity hak nuai na ba cinema yang ba ichar pam jaba like pa ba like na to bidai haitare other than books you must be engaged with some hobby or some other leisure time activity kari to be
ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ distraction ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ social app ꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ active ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ
social application ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ
WhatsApp Instagram Facebook
Instagram
ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ as student ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ human beings ꯅꯦ and human beings ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ social being ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ study ꯗꯪ main focus ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯨꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇꯦ because ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ study ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ personality development ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ social app ꯁꯤꯒꯤ through ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ society ꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ status ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ status ꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ society ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ up to date ꯑꯣꯏꯕ information ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ students ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ with limitation of course ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ addict ꯆꯨꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ it is a bad thing aduna ngasai or for example ngasai gi akhoi akhoi admire to figure social manak chat pamak amdraga social app ki through the akhoi contact lo ba adum yai aduna ngasai gi aduguma kyam se season ase
okay social media me am dum sinare have Facebook WhatsApp Instagram na chingba adu masi akhoi addiction chu gi level da disina de sin da adi nong magi chang na dum sin have ne dum ma haina badale akhoi sumba social networking sites sing yam addictive oi bai tare once in nagar ga di dum toin na hang ba yang ba kari update lak jano kari status lak jano kanana like tarok jano yang bagi wakan je dum pau bani na aduna yam drabda on average scientifically is study da pothori se nong ba 200 ke mathak ta mi amana magi mobile phone je hang kai kai yawi yeng adu chorang na isa yo na di addict oi derga su nong ba kya ru ka di dum check ta win khan bi
adum have the laser time da ai lai pa matun
pa da timing da
deki asagi khoi news ta ba phang da ba gasagi matam sang da ba matam da khoi internet ta gi dum everyday news update lak pa adagi asagi khoi Instagram gum da su khoi gi anoba latest information thagale do adugumba check the way every day like 2-3 hours I've continuously natraga su dum marak da haidare the minus is
activity the fun time activity that you sometimes use social media and you update yourself about what is happening around you. What about you? Do you use all this social media?
Yeah, I use social media.
What are the applications you use?
Same like
WhatsApp,
yeah,
Facebook,
Instagram. Yeah. And like in my free time I used to listen music and all that, like and engaging, like I used to join with friends for like what to say, activities and all that. And during holidays, like I used to like in hostel we have some cleanliness and all that, like we used to clean together. And
as you stay in hostel, do you wash your clothes also yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Okay, other than all this leisure time activity, fun time activity, do you have any other passion other than study? Any passion or hobby?
Yeah, my hobby like it's listening to music.
Listening to music.
Yeah.
Do you sing also?
Yes, I tried, but like I'm really bad.
Okay, I won't be asking you to sing, but I'm just I was just curious to ask. As you listen to music, those people who listen to music, eventually they sometimes feel like singing. All right, I'll come to Radharani. Radharani ki dik mai to leisure time activity, koi WhatsApp, social networking sites mo am sin nabi prang.
Ajige koi social media si amna phaba pot amani. Aikoina parents sing dagi guardians sing dagi family dagi phangba knowledge si nattaba. Atopa knowledge kaya am su phangdure bani aduga social media si ba phangba knowledge nattaba su. Koi family dagi guardians dagi tongan ba phanggadar bani aduna nakal anima ki kana ba lai bani na. Yamna matam devote tawba natraga su. Some matam kharadi yamna mandabida over oidabida mafam matam tanjagi matung ina sijinna haninge ai samakshu FB WhatsApp adum even ai friends sing about the miss online and ai ming che shape ayam batong
miss online online adum legan bagi
oi adog ina hostel la ringai matam dadi phone pai bagi facility je phangde aduna ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯁꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯥꯕꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯥꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯐꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯕꯤꯁꯥꯏꯗꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯅꯦꯠꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯦꯖꯔ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯗ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯣꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯨꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯪꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯦꯔꯥꯟ ꯇꯨꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯤꯞ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣꯒ ꯍꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
any other game ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ intellectual areas ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯩꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ
ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯩ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯚꯣꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯕꯦꯗꯃꯤꯟꯇꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩꯕꯃꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯩꯕꯃꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯦꯂꯤꯅꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯩ ꯁꯦꯂꯤꯅꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ पाबगी अदम मथौ तागद्रब एरिया ने अदुबु समटाइम्स सिदगी खितंग ना थाइरगा आइगी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट की नतगा फिटनेस की नतगा नुवाइजबगी नतगा पैशन ओइरबगी इन पामजरुबगी सानो खनबनि खंगदि केनो एरिया मसु लेबिरम बया नतगा फिल्म मेकिंग बो बिया ई बबु ओबे समथिंग लेरमसु या इसागी करि लेबि
besides study ibase yam pami habdi literature habise aina yamna pamjaba sector amane auna nga novel paba nga gi Indian writer ma degi foreign writers hire ga Sidney Sheldon Cecilia Ahern moi gumba gi kaino se dum pa zai novel sing se adagi biography gumba for example nga gi Stephen Hawking gi brief history of time gaina laiba sing se dum baba hoina dum laibire duga dum like sing se pa zai degi ibase su ai dum yam pami nga gi school ki magazine gumba da poem degi article macha gumba dum I
okay final question है तेरा होम क्यों ना कोई life से कोई topper की life से मैं होने से very strict life very control very strict no आंध्र जाओ like पापा school चापा like पापा very strict है ना और मैं खाना बनी ना आई ना होम तक हंजनी से सेलिना दे होगा यामना strict ओइबा लाइफ अमा हौकी बचही अमा से अनि मग नत्रगसु क्लास 11 दे खितंग एडजस्ट तौबगी मतम चंगदन अदो याम कना कंसंट्रेट तौद्रगसु 12 तैदी आया मन कंसंट्रेट तौनारे हैबनिना क्लास 12 से यामना strict regime अमद लेरें खबिब्रा strict लैबा लाइक द पादन लैबा मिसिने मयामना याम बोरिंग ओइ हाइसे याम बोरिंग ओइबा लाइफ अमा लेत ओइ खबिब्रा strict ओइबा लाइफ अमा लेत ओइ खबिब्रा चाहिए अमा से कमाइ तौबी
adum habdi equally kari hai neutral oina leta oina khazai because study the ngakta kind of adapt or like you that day adu ga saigi kind of say akoina time management se am important or is because human being amoina akoi study the or se sana bada khatang lupaga leiba se yada bani na equally 24 hours to distribute to ngam na bagi akoi isada habits inculcate ko to gadam ne pi ngai degi
okay habit inculcate to gadam ne matam leselaktre tu tentang na selena de dum horga keno se so se keno se hon biro ko tip hai tara अनोब क्लास 12 का खले मैं आमसे मथंग सहिदा पैखा थादोनी मोइदा करी टिप हैबिनिंग
to all my juniors I haizening base akoi 12 ka matam haibse teenage ki amna pick oiba matam ne amna yamna langning e distractions ri amna lay but at least 1 year probably control tawraga distractions sing lamna thamgarga study the main focus behind it because 1 year ka honaba duna akoi achievement phangdorim ne haibdi 12 haibse beginning of a career ne aduna masida akoi mai chum hoba haibse documentic important way
okay chahi sima warsu wana khang asi adridi noi ba ngakdani noi ba horobani kari happening tips to the aspirants those people who have already reached class 12 this time
like I would like to say that like if they give this 1 year like their career will be like good like bright from now on and they will get a motivation also if they get nice results then it will be a motivation for their further studies
exactly
yeah and like if they just give like not 1 year also around 6-7 months for like if they focus then it will be good for them
in your case you started after July only
yeah
very inspiration July matungda mamang chahi 2017 July matungda ki like paba hogibni sagar se hozik topper oire aduna topper or matungda hen inspiration ogini hen motivation ogini now he is so charged he is so motivated to go ahead okay keno to lak segi radharani ki tips su habi mo kari habi ni
aigi khatha ba inau singda ina hajaning badi asonba yaramgani aduga yamna larikta thawai yawba yawdaba makhal gi kayam leramgani hajigi makoi singa ina punna hajaning badi aikoina base haibase pamagi mahutta ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯅꯦ ꯏꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯖꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯂꯦꯟꯁꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯂꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯖꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯊꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
Okay, ma'am, puna thogdang longminasi aduga class 12 tamiba handak lakadriba chahida class 12 thagadrba mahiroi singna chai chup pakanna padraga su chahi tha manga trok se aroi bi thadana sacrifice torom tare apa man nuaiba mayam to thadom tare aduga ona tarak de soijna success pangani success to pamma khatna yaro hindi da hai na ba dil chahta hai to yaro चाहने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है करने से कुछ होगा अदुना होनर गति सोइदना यानी है बगी एग्जांपल ngasi ahum koi mang le re yamna mamang dagi honar panati adum koina yam wisely class 12 karam matum dagi as hona dabi yad re haidon hona badu honar re haidona koi thengnari ba life to thengnari mayam se social media games mobile yaw dab jante loi yaurga koi radharani bo mayam on miss online ho haibiri ne mai tawtana loi sina ba yaurga so aina tawda yadaba se study ni anda chahi jmati mase pass tawi targadi life se noai bagi ngatni afabagi ngatni haibagi wakalonda tha manga taruk tare ni panse chanchan targadi loina mak topper oini loina mak mai pakni haibagi wakalonda ngasi gi manu hunage thamse matang sadlu chinjarge aduga Selina Sagar amadi Radharani bo amukana thagachari aduga life ta yamna mai pakba hena mai pakko oibi haibagi wish you amukana pijari thank you so much
Thank you.
Masin ngasi gi manu hunage tharong ngasi gi edition segaram to bibage ko khan dirpe agani koi mail id impacttvnews@gmail.com natraga koi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impacttvmanipur da join to birka comment on the feedback thabir piyagani. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is Raj Nongthombam signing off. Kurumjai.